Good morning. Let us move to the next article. Next article is about the conversion. Conversion of number systems. Numbers from one number system to other number system. Let me close the door just 1 minute. First conversion, decimal to binary conversion. Conversion of numbers from one number system to other number system. In this, let us talk of conversion of numbers from decimal number system to binary number system. There are two methods. The first method is sum of weight method. And second one is double-table method. There are two methods for conversion of decimal to binary numbers. First one is sum of weight method. Second one is double-table method. Let us start with sum of weight method. What is meaning of sum of weight method? We know that decimal number system is weighted number system. Binary number system is also weighted number system. Whenever we express any number in decimal number system, every digit in that number has specific position weight. Similarly, every bit in a binary number has specific weight corresponding to different positions in a given number. And therefore, sum of weight method can be used for conversion of decimal numbers to binary numbers. What we do whenever we are given a decimal number, we shall split this decimal number into various integers, and these integers should be weight of various positions of a binary number. We add all these weights together. That will give us the equivalent of given decimal number in the binary number system. Let us start with some example. Let us suppose that you are given 19 in decimal number system. And you ask to convert it into binary number system. Decimal is equal to question mark. We have to find value of this question mark in binary numbers. 19, that is 19. It is to be split 1. Okay. 18 is left. 16 and 2 is a binary weight. 1 is a binary weight. 16 is also a binary weight. 2 is equivalent to 2 to the power 1. 1 is equivalent to 2 to the power 0. 16 is equivalent to 2 to the power 4. So 1 will be here for 0 position. 1 will be here for 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay. And we have to take away these 2, write 0 here. This one corresponding to this weight. 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 I have given you the table of binary numbers. From that you can find whether this is 19. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 equivalent to 16. 16 plus 3, 19. Okay, one example. Let us go for any of the example. Actually, you are not here, otherwise I have asked you what number you wanted to convert from decimal to binary. Let me go for the 37. For ready reference, let me write weights here. To the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2, to the power 3, to the power 4, to the power 5, to the power 6, and so on. This corresponding to 1, this corresponding to 2, this corresponding to 4, this corresponding to 8, 16, 32, 64. 37. Let us split 37. 32 plus. What let now? 5 left. 4 plus 1. 32 plus 4, 36. 36 plus 1, 37. For 32, let me write 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be a 6-digit number. So let me give 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Let me verify. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 0 has become 1. 1, 0, 1. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 32 plus 5. 32 to the power 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 32. 4 to the power 2. 0, 1, 2. 1 to the power 0. This is 37. Let us go for some other number. 49. Split this. 32 plus How much left if 32 is taken from 49? 17. Take 16, 1 left, right 1. 32 plus 16, 48, 48 plus 1, 49. And this is 1. This is 1 for 16, followed by 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros, followed by 1. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So this is 49. One more. Then we shall go to other number. What number you wanted to have? Let me take 97, 64. 64 is taken away from 97. How much left? 6 and 27. 33. 32 plus 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. 6 plus 3, 9, 97. Splitting is made. 64. It is 2 to the power 6, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 32, let me write 1 more, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 is 97. This way we can find binary equivalent of any decimal number by using sum of weight method. It is very simple, provided that you must practice. If you practice it, it will be very, very simple. If you don't practice, it will be somewhat difficult of conversion of decimal numbers to binary numbers using sum of weight method. The other method, it is somewhat lengthy but simple. Double-double method. Now let us use double-double method. Before using double-double method, you must know what is meaning of double-double method. Meaning of double-double method is when you are given a decimal number, do integer division. Actually, do successive integer division. How to do this successive integer division? Divide the given decimal number by 2. It should be integer division. Integer division, the quotient will be integer, the remainder will be integer. There will not be any fractional part. That division is known as integer division. Do integer division of given decimal number by 2, note quotient and remainder. Then divide the quotient by 2, again take integer division, get quotient and integer. Continue this division till the quotient will be 0. When the quotient becomes 0, stop the successive integer division by 2 and collect the remainders you notate during the successive integer division by 2. That will be equivalent binary of given decimal number. This is the procedure for conversion of decimal numbers to binary numbers using double table method. Let us work out it for 97. The number is already here. Let us see how to do this by double table method. 97 divided by 2. We have to write quotient here, remainder here. 2 4s are 8, 1 left 17, 2 8s are 16, remainder is 1. 48 divided by 2. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, remainder 0. Divide this 24 again by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder 0. Divide this 12 by 2, 2 6 are 12, remainder 0. Divide this 6 by 2, 2 3s are 6, remainder 0. Divide this 3 by 2, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. Divide this 1 by 2. We are required to do integer division. And in integer division 1 by 2, what will be quotient of 1 by 2? 0. Remainder 1. The first remainder will be LSB. Last remainder will be MSB. Collect them this way. That is 1 1 1 2 3 4 1 1 1 2 3 4. This is how we can convert any given decimal number into its equivalent binary number using double table method. What to do in double table method? Divide given number by 2, note quotient and remainder. Divide this quotient again by 2. Remember, this division is integer division. There won't be any fractional part. Note remainder, note quotient and remainder. Divide this quotient again by 2, note quotient, remainder. Continue this till quotient comes 0. First remainder is LSB of the binary number. Last remainder is MSB of the binary number. Collect it this way. Write it here. That will give you equivalent binary of given decimal number. Then let us go for some other numbers. Let us work out these examples and we will finish the discussion of conversion of decimal numbers to binary numbers using double table method. Let us work out this 100 first. 100 divided by 2, 50, it is quotient, remainder 0, 50 divided by 2, 25, remainder 0, 25 divided by 2, 12, remainder 1, 12 divided by 2, 6, remainder 0, 6 divided by 2, 3, remainder 0, 3 divided by 2, 1, remainder 1, 1 divided by 2, quotient 0, remainder 1, this is LSB, this is LSB, and so this should be 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is binary equivalent of 100 in decimal. Let us go to 111. 111 divided by 2. This is quotient. This is remainder. 2 5s are 10. 1 is left. 1 11. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1. 55 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 left. It will become 15. 2 7s are 14. Remainder is 1. 27 divided by 2, 13, remainder 1. 13 divided by 2, 6, remainder 1. 6 divided by 2, 3, remainder 0. 3 divided by 2, 1, remainder 1. 1 divided by 2, 0. Remainder 1, and the number is 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. This is 111. Let us see whether this is 111. 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8, for 0, don't write any, 60, 32, 64, 40, 104, 108, 110, 111. So this is how 111 is converted to 111 in decimal is converted to binary, which is 110 4 times 1. Let us go for the last one, 235. What is the answer for this? 1 1 0 1 2 3 4. Now let us go for 235. 235 quotient remainder divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 1 is 1, 2 1 is 1, correct. Remember, 117 divided by 2 5s are 10, 1 is left, 2 8s are 16, remainder 1. 58 divided by 2, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 9s are 18, remainder 0. Then 29 by 2, 14, remainder 1, 14 divided by 2, 7, remainder 0, 7 divided by 2, 3, remainder 1, 3 divided by 2, 1, remainder 1, 1 divided by 2, 0, remainder 1. This is LSB, this is LSB, and 235 in decimal is 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 triple 1 0 1 0 double 1 0 1 0 double 1. So 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 is 235 in binary. So this is how we can use double method. This is how we can use double method for conversion of decimal numbers to binary numbers. Here we worked out only conversion of integral decimal numbers to integral binary numbers. What about fractional decimal numbers? Even we can do conversion of fractional decimal numbers to fractional binary numbers. Let us try to do this. Conversion of fractional decimal number to fractional binary number. Let us see how to do it. In decimal. Convert this to binary. .5 multiplied by 2. Write the product and carry. What is product here? 1 is 1.0. Carry 1. 0.0 into 2, that will be 0, carry is 0, and so this will be NSB, this will be LSB, and that is nothing but .50 in decimal is nothing but 0.10 in binary. Let us work out how. .625 in decimal. What will be 0.625 in binary? 0.625 into 2 product and here carry. 2 5s are 10, 0, carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 5, carry 0, 2 6s are 12, 1.250. What is carry? 1. Fractional part is 0.25 into 2. Product is 0.5. Carry is 0. 0.5 multiplied by 2, 1.0, carry 1. 0 multiplied by 2, 0. Nothing doing. This is MSB. This is MSB. And in binary, this is 0.101. 0.625 in decimal is 0.1018 binary. Let us take some of the example. 0.952 in decimal. What should be this in binary? Let us work out. 0.952 into 2, take product here, carry here. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19, 1.9, carry 1. 1.904, carry 1. Fractional part 0.904 into 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 0s are 0, 2 9s are 18, carry is 1, remainder 8, 0.808, 0.808 into 2. 2 8s are 16, 6 carry 1, 2 0s are 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 2 8s are 16, carry 1, 0.616 into 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 carry 1, 2 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 6s are 12, carry 1. 0.232 into 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, carry 0. 0.464 into 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 carry 1, 2 4s are 8, 9, carry 0. 0.928 into 2 is equal to product. 2 8s are 16, 6 carry 1, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 5, 2 9s are 18, 1. This can be continued. In such cases, you may get the recurrence. This is MSB, this is LSB. Given you can stop here or here. You got 2 carries as zeros, and therefore this is equal to 0.1234. 1 2 3 4 0 0 1. This is most approximate value of 0.952 in decimal into equivalent binary. This way we can convert integral decimal numbers as well as fractional decimal numbers into equivalent binary numbers. This is about conversion of decimal numbers to binary numbers using some of weight method and double table method. This is about conversion of decimal numbers to binary numbers, applicable for integral part as well as fractional part. Hope you got it. In the next lecture we shall go for other conversions. Thank you.